Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 761, and today's topic is the medicinal importance of ergot alkaloids. Actually, ergot alkaloids, they are indole. Alkaloids means the two nucleus, one is 6-member aromatic, other one is 5-member. With nitrogen containing nucleus, they fuse together, and that is your indole nucleus. And this indole nucleus is present in ergot alkaloid. Actually, ergot is a fungus, and this fungus is found on ray cereal as a plant. And this cereal, it looks like it belongs to grass family. And it looks like wheat, and this cereal is widely used to make some bread or some bakery products. And the word ergotism is well known since thousands of years. Even the Romans, they mention ergotism. Ergotism means is a type of sickness and disease. And that disease is given in the name of ergot fungus. Ergotism means those people who were eating that cereal array, like wheat powder, and they got severe headache, vomiting, nausea, and even some neuro disorder, paralysis. And it happened in Germany in 1556, 1558. And then in England, 1950s. Then latest was in Canada, that was in 1992. And after that, ergotism is not known now. But this alkaloid, this group of ergot alkaloids, they are medicinally important because they combine with lysergic acid. Actually, ergotine is a derivative of lysergic acid, and where indole group is there, and it is called ergotine, ergoline, and these structures are given here. This is known as ergoline. This is the nucleus, ergoline, and where it is a tetracyclic, where one ring, that is B, is 5-member, and rest of the three are A, C, and D. They are 6-member with 2 nitrogen, and this is called ergoline. And the most important that is ergot alkaloid is that is ergometrine. So ergometrine is a very important ergot alkaloid, and in USA it is known as ergonovine. And this ergot alkaloid, that is ergometrine, is widely used in gynec department in delivery to have ease in the delivery. And even these ergot alkaloids were used in Europe for gynec purpose, and to make the uterus dilated so that easily the delivery was possible. Even this one also is widely used, and also because of the presence of lysergic acid. This is your lysergic acid, and here in the lysergic acid, what is happening? One of this hydroxy group is replaced by amide alcohol. This is your amide alcohol, and with this amide alcohol, it is called LSD, lysergic acid diethyl amide. So lysergic acid diethyl amide, it is having hallucinating effect, sedative effect, as well as it is having hallucinating effect. So it is usually given in gynec department. It is very important drug during delivery, and this is actually the ergot alkaloid, and that's why the ergot group of alkaloids, they are indole alkaloids, and they have lot of medicinal properties. The most important one is that is LSD, and it is known as ergometrine or ergonovine. So this is what about ergot alkaloids, and this alkaloid was well known in gynec department. And also nowadays some people they are misusing that is in the form of drug they are using, and they call it LSD, and drug addiction is also there. And you might have heard of LSD, very common name, that is nothing but these ergot alkaloids. But from medicinal point of view, it is widely used in gynec department during delivery, and also it is used for hallucinating purpose, for sedative, and lot of other neuro disorders. So here, the medicinal importance of ergot indole alkaloids, and number that is the botanical source is fungus, and that fungus is the botanical source is Claviceps and Purpurea. Actually, most of the ergot alkaloids which are of medicinal uses are obtained from this fungus source, and it belongs to family Clavicipitaceae. Number one, ergot is the dried sclerotium of the fungus arising in the ovary of the ray plant. I have already told you that there is ray cereal plant, and that plant is used for making bread. I mean this grains and these seeds, and it is grown there, and that is one is actually the plant is scale cerealis, and it belongs to family Gramineae. So that is the source of the fungal growth in that Gramineae family, that is ray plant, and it is cultivated in large quantities in Germany, Hungary, Switzerland, and in India. Number two, the usefulness of ergot as a drug seems to have been disclosed through ergotism. So once the word ergotism came, and this ergotism is a disease which is caused by ergot fungus, and that ergot fungus contains alkaloid, and those alkaloids are known as ergot alkaloids, and these alkaloids are nothing but they are indole alkaloids. And I have given the structure that tetracyclic ergoline, and that tetracyclic ergoline that is containing 3 6-member ring nitrogen and with 5-member ring. So that is ergotism, and which is said to have been known to Romans. So Romans were knowing even 1,000 years ago about the ergotism. Ergotism means poisoning produced by eating food affected by fungus ergot, and this poisoning may be sometimes stroke, nerve problem, or sometimes vomiting, sometimes diarrhea, sometimes severe headache. So these are all the symptoms of ergotism. There was outbreak of ergotism in Germany. It was in 1958, in Russia in 1927, in UK 1957, and recently it was in Canada, and that was in 1992. And after 1992, it has not been reported, I mean ergotism. Number three, the ergot alkaloids hold a vital position as medicinal, which are being used in internal medicine and neurology and in psychiatry. I have already told you that it has direct effect on central nervous system, it is having sedative effect, it is having hallucinating effect, and these effects are related to neurology department and psychiatric department. The most of the ergot alkaloids are obtained from the fungus that is Claviceps purpurea, that is Claviceps purpurea. This Claviceps purpurea is the main source of ergot alkaloid. So number 4, the ergot alkaloids belong to the large class of indole alkaloids. And I have already told you in the beginning all this, that indole alkaloids means where 6-membered aromatic ring with nitrogen containing 5-membered ring, they are fused together, and that nucleus is called indole. And that indole is the part of tetracyclic nucleus, that is your ergoline, in which the indole group is built into a tetracyclic ring system, and that tetracyclic ring system is called ergoline. And this ergoline tetracyclic is found in all the ergot alkaloid grouping. And in ergot alkaloids, there are dozens of different type of alkaloids, but for medicinal point of view, that is ergotrine is the one which is widely used, and LSD that I have already mentioned. And this the acid amide derivative, of lysergic acid is known as ergometrine. So acid amide derivative of lysergic acid, and that is also known as LSD. That is lysergic acid diethylamide, and that drug is called ergometrine. And ergometrine, I have given the structure and I have already told you, is a very important drug nowadays, and it is widely used in internal medicine, in gynec department, and in psychiatric department, also in neurology department. So that is a very good drug, and it has lot of medicinal importance. It can hallucinate, it can sedate, and it can dilate muscles. All these functions are there. In this alkaloid, lysergic acid carboxylic group is combined with amino alcohol and is called acid amide alkaloid. I have already shown you in the beginning that how lysergic acid means where carboxylic group is there, that is COL, and that from COL one hydroxy group is removed in the form of water, and that carbonyl group is combined with amino alcohol, and that linkage is called amide linkage of lysergic acid. So it is called LSD, that is lysergic acid diamide product, and that is called your ergometrine or LSD, and acid alcohol, and that is your LSD. And in the synthesis of ergometrine, LSD is prepared, and this LSD, what they are getting after the preparation, that where from lysergic acid, because all these ergot alkaloids, they are associated with lysergic acid, and mostly they are the derivative of lysergic acid. And once the lysergic acid, where it is combined with amino alcohol, it is LSD, and LSD is used in different type of drugs as a hallucinating drug, and LSD is used widely for hallucinating effect. Means you will be having false impression, dizziness, your concentration will not be there, like any other, like opium or heroin or cocaine. In that place it is used. And why it is used? It is semi-synthetic, that it is cheaper, and sometimes it is not possible to put it like heroin or cocaine, because it is simply the drug which is used in psychiatric department, also in neuro department, also in gynec obstetric department. So that's why people are misusing this LSD. This lysergic acid amide is found in hallucinogenic drug used in Mexico called Ololinqui. So in Mexico it is well known with this hallucinating drug, that is LSD, and they call it Ololinqui, and it was also used in religious and magic purpose in Mexico, because they will give and people will be hallucinated and they will be dancing, they will be misbehaving and all those, so they will say that it is a type of magic is done. There is nothing like magic. It is all, wherever in any country, whether it is Mexico, whether it is Nigeria, whether it is India, if there is euphoria, if there is dancing, abnormal behavior, all the activities, all is caused by hallucinating alkaloids. And mostly either it is atropine alkaloids, that is opium alkaloid, or indole ergot alkaloids. And they will say that somebody is in magic and somebody is in supernatural behavior and all these things. It's nothing but it is hallucinating effect of either ergot alkaloid, that is LSD, or opium alkaloid, that is heroin, or opium itself and morphine. Number 5. Today, ergometrin is widely used in faster uterine stimulation and for hastening the delivery. Actually, once the pregnant woman, and if they feel lot of pain, that is called labor pain, and sometimes people think that let us go for cesarean to make the surgery. So in that condition, this plays very important role, that is ergometrin, and this ergometrin is given and it plays very big role in faster uterine stimulation, and in this way for hastening the delivery and by increasing the tone of uterine muscles. It will increase the tone of uterine muscles so that the delivery will be smooth. It prevents postpartum bleeding. It also prevents the bleeding. Then it is used as a sedative and in menopause, sickness and other disturbance of nervous system. It is also used in inhibition of the growth of tumor. Nowadays they have started using this ergometrin, that is ergot alkaloid, to inhibit, to stop the growth of tumor. So in this case, if tumor is malignant, at least it cannot grow and there will not be growth. And also it is used in Parkinson's disease, that is Parkinson's is also neuro disorder. So that's why it is having lot of medicinal importance. And in Europe, this ray flower is a grain, is widely used in bakery and in making the bread. And always there is chance of ergot alkaloid in traces, and that is enough to bring the ergotism disease. So for that, if you have the flower and if you suspect that there may be some contamination of ergot alkaloid, just take that flower and bring under ultraviolet light, and once it shows red color fluorescence, it means it is contaminated with ergot alkaloid, because ergot alkaloid will show red color in presence of red color fluorescence under UV light. It means you should not use that flower. So this is the quick and spectral test of ergot alkaloid. And also, not in flower, anywhere if you want to see whether some substance is having ergot alkaloid or not, just take it under the UV light and it will show you the red fluorescence. So this ergot alkaloid chapter is very lengthy, and I have just summarized it in the form of abstract. So my request is to all pharmacy students, those who are doing their masters or undergraduation, B Pharm or M Pharm, they should go through this lecture and please pass it on, share it and subscribe it so that all the pharmacy and chemistry students, they are benefited from this lecture, because I have delivered this in a very simple way. Sometimes once you are reading in the book, if you go to library and if you open the book that ergot alkaloid, it will be in hundreds of pages and you will be totally confused. What is this, from where it is coming? Lot of things, lot of history, lot of background is given. But in a very simple way, once you listen this lecture, everything is very clear. So please subscribe it and pass the comment. If there is anything you want to know, contact me. I am always giving my email number. You can write email that this portion is not clear to me. Even nowadays I have started giving my lectures on my Facebook, and my Facebook ID is that just type Irfan Khan and Professor of Medicinal Chemistry in the University of Maiduguri, Nigeria. My photo will appear, and just send your request. I will include you so that you can get all these lectures. And the best gift what I can give to all the scientific community, to my students, is the knowledge of chemistry and science in general. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.